Hello everyone, my name is Kochetkov Anton, I am from Kyiv, Ukraine, and this is my 6-week assignment at Coursera.org for Introduction to Music Production. And today I want to show you two different synthesizers and will show you where you can find the 5 building blocks of each synthesizer, like oscillator, filter, amplifier, low frequency oscillator, and envelope. So first let's have a look at Massive. It's Native Instruments synthesizer, and let's begin from the oscillators. You can find them all the way to the left. You can have 3 different oscillators playing simultaneously, and you can pick from different waveforms and play around with it. And then let's go to filter. You can find it here in center, and you also have 2 different filters, and for each of them you can choose its own operating system, like low pass, high pass, and so on. And the same thing here, and you can change your cutoff frequency. You can amplify the certain cutoff frequency by boosting the resonance, and also for bandpass, as you can see, you can change the bandwidth in your filter. Okay, the next thing in this synthesizer is amp, and here you can control your output on the master. You can do a little bit of panorama, and you can choose this bypass mode. And then in Massive you can apply your envelope and your low frequency oscillator, whatever you can see this black square. So let's have a look. You can put it everywhere, really whatever you want. And it's a basic envelope editor. You have attack, you have sustain, you have decay level, and you have release. And you can use 4 different envelopes, and as I said, put it really whatever you want. And the same thing with LFO, so you can use common waveforms to use your low frequency oscillator, or you can go here and find some exotic tunes if you want, and also you can put it everywhere where you want. Okay, so this is it about Massive, and let's look at another Native Instruments synthesizer called Razor and compare it a little bit. So first thing, oscillators, they're also here, but you can find really exotic waveforms in the Razor, like pulse to saw or Hoover or or something else. So it sounds really like, I don't know, really crazy. And you can have 2 different oscillators, and the parameters you can tweak really depends on the waveform you choose. So as you can see, it's changing, but really you have always this amp and the color knobs, so you can just make it louder or brighter or softer. And the next step is a filter, so just here, and once again you can find different very nice filters, not common filters, as you can see, like low pass dirty, low pass phaser, and so on. And then also you can tweak the cutoff frequency, boost, tweeze, and choose different different filters, choosing from these 2, and apply it to all your tones. And then here, to control the output of these both, you can just tweak it here. It's like amp, I don't know. Also you can use different effects here, which you really can do in Massive too, but I just wanted to mention because they're already here. And the next thing is envelope, and here we can have 3 different envelopes and apply it to different parts of our synthesizer, like oscillator, filter, and output. Okay, and the last thing is low frequency oscillator. Here you have 2 different oscillators, and it can be also applied to all the things like oscillators and filters in your chain. So this is pretty much it, and as you can see, in general these synthesizers were similar, like us. They consist of oscillator, filter, amplifier, envelope, and low frequency oscillators, but you can achieve dramatically different tones from massive and reactor, because as I showed you, you can apply very strange and some crazy waveforms in Razer and come up with really nice and I don't know, fresh sounds. Okay, so this is pretty much it, and I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching and have fun.